Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, we'll be cooking a Nigerian vegetable soup today. Stay tuned and see how I cooked this delicious vegetable soup. These are the ingredients we'll be using to make this finger-licking soup. Vegetable soup is recommended for those who are watching their weight, for those who need more blood in their body, for those who are advised to eat more vegetables. This is recommended. First and foremost, boil the meats you'll be using for the soup. Today I'll be using a goat meat and some shakis, which is also known as intestines. At this stage, you need to add the stockfish so that it will get soft by the time you finish cooking. Add the quantity of water that will get the stockfish and the meat well cooked. At this stage, I will be adding the dry fish and the smoked fish in order for them to be well cooked also. This water will be reduced by the time the stocks are well cooked. As you can see, they are all well cooked. I will be adding a palm oil to this. At this stage, I would like to add the crayfish. I eat a lot of crayfish, so I don't really check the quantity I'm adding because I eat a lot of it. Allow the oil to cook with the stock, and then I'll be adding spinach. This spinach is sliced by me. I like to do it by myself because I like using a fresh spinach. I'll be leaving a short video on how to slice spinach without hurting yourself. This is the best way to cook vegetable soup when you are living outside Nigeria. At this stage, I will be adding kale leaves. They are frozen kale leaves. I like using a frozen one because they are already sliced. A little bit of heat is required here and it is ready for eating. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.